Well, hey guys, it is starting to snow. We're supposed to get hammered today. Tonight we're supposed to get, for the next pretty much 2 days, get crushed with like below zero temperatures, and you know, they're calling for a couple feet of snow, and which means we'll get more here. But it's starting right now, about 20 degrees right now. So just getting stuff ready around the homestead. So I'm putting my plow on here, and check this out. Well, I was putting my plow on and just getting it ready for, you know, the snow coming, and noticed the light bulb was out. So I ran down and picked one up. I'm gonna throw that in real quick here. All right, lights all fixed, and I'm gonna clean up the driveway. Probably got about 6 inches of snow in here now. I got to plow, but show you what else I do in the winter. Not all winter, but just on the cold days. Is I came in here into the coop. And check out our chickens there. They're all put in a couple heat lamps for them because it's going to get really cold. Put another layer of hay down as well. Try to keep them warm in here. But that should keep them warm during the night. If it gets too cold, it's going to get bitter cold. And the other thing, not only is it going to get cold, but it's supposed to be like 40-mile-an-hour winds. So I've got plenty of hay in here. Man, it gets dusty in here. We put the bikes in here out of the garage. Look how dusty they are. These guys haven't been producing eggs very much either in this cold. Got 2 yesterday. You guys need to get rolling here. Need some eggs. Filled up the gas tank. Well, used a little bit about last night, but filled it up. Let's do some plowing. I might have to play with the Polaris plow I have. Might have to play with that this weekend a little bit. This thing's a muddy mess. It's just been so cold I can't clean it up. Might take it out in the snow. Man, I'll tell you what, I'm very happy with that little plow there. Homesteader truck, all plowed out. Driveway ready for some snow. We had actually quite a bit of snow in the driveway, a little mountain going there. you know, both sides. But we're gonna get some serious drifting tonight, so let's see what happens tonight. I love snowstorms. I'm gonna go get the key to the Polaris, take her for a run. That Tacoma. That is one. I love that truck. Well, finishing up here in the barn and see what happens with this storm. Half the time they build it up and we get, you know, we usually get a lot of snow, but it seems lately whenever they build these things up and declare state of emergency, which they already have at 8 o'clock this morning, and we had no snow coming down, it usually doesn't equal what they say we're gonna get, so we'll see. Chickens are ready to go in and perch for the night. There they are perching, and some of them are scattering around there. So let's shut the lights off and let them go to bed. Well, truck's put away. Did some playing on the four-wheeler and the side-by-side in the snow. But I got these new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. If you can see the tread, hopefully there's enough light. I'll try to, I don't know if you can even see them. Here, hold on, let me get a flashlight, maybe you can see better. Alright, these BF Goodrich all-terrain. I love the tread. It just looked, I liked how it looked. But I had some Goodyear Wranglers on here before and they were awesome. They just didn't make that tire anymore, so I went with these because they said they were, you know, similar, and of course tried to save a buck as well, and wish I would have spent the extra $100 and got the the Goodyears. But you know, not the worst tire in the world, but definitely I'll never buy them again, that's for sure. So all right, I'm heading in for the night, and snow's still coming down, but I'm all plowed out for the evening, and we'll see what we wake up to tomorrow. Take care.